Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable Cache Everything in Cloudflare step by step. If you want to make your website load faster and reduce server load, this setting can significantly improve performance. Even if you have zero knowledge about Cloudflare, this guide will walk you through the entire process. So let's get started. First, what does Cache Everything mean in Cloudflare? By default, Cloudflare only caches static files like images, CSS, and JavaScript. When you enable Cache Everything, Cloudflare can also cache HTML pages. This means visitors can load your pages directly from Cloudflare's edge servers instead of your origin server, making your website much faster. Step 1. Log in to Cloudflare. Open your browser and go to cloudflare.com. Click on Log In and sign in to your Cloudflare account. After logging in, you will see a list of websites connected to your Cloudflare account. Step 2. Select your website. Click on the domain where you want to enable Cache Everything. This will open the dashboard for that specific site. Step 3. Go to Rules section. In the left sidebar menu, click on Rules. Inside the Rules section, select Page Rules or Cache Rules depending on the interface version you see. Cloudflare has moved many caching controls into Cache Rules in newer dashboards. Step 4. Create a new cache rule. Click on Create Rule. Now you'll define which pages Cloudflare should cache. For the rule condition, select all incoming requests or set the URL pattern to your domain with an asterisk like yourdomain.com/*. This tells Cloudflare to apply the rule to all pages on your website. Step 5. Enable Cache Everything. In the Rules settings, look for the caching options. Find the setting called Cache Level or Cache Eligibility. Select Cache Everything. This allows Cloudflare to cache full HTML pages along with static files. Step 6. Set Edge Cache TTL. Next, set the Edge Cache TTL, which determines how long Cloudflare stores the cached version of your page. For example, you can choose 1 hour, 6 hours, or even a full day depending on how often your content changes. Step 7. Save and deploy the rule. Click Save or Deploy. Cloudflare will now start caching your website pages according to the rule you created. Your site should now load faster for visitors around the world. And that's it. That's how you enable Cache Everything in Cloudflare step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.